Are you ready to unleash your inner crafting genius? If you've ever stared longingly at intricate die-cut designs only to realize your trusty scissors just won't cut it, then you're in for a treat. Welcome to the world of die-cut machines, where creativity meets convenience and the only limit is your imagination. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best die-cut machines that promise to transform your DIY projects from mundane to mesmerizing. So grab your favorite snack, put on your crafting apron, and let's dive into the magical realm of die cutting. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit, our pick for best budget die-cut machine. Looking for a crafting sidekick that won't put a dent in your wallet? Say hello to the Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit. This little powerhouse is your new best friend in the magical realm of die cutting and embossing. It's compact, it's clever, and it's eager to jump into your creative adventures without leaving your bank account gasping for air. However, if your projects lean more towards the realm of miniatures or charming little keepsakes, be prepared for a bit of a compatibility quest. Think of it as your crafting superhero's one weakness. The search for the right embossing folders can be a tiny bit tricky. With the ability to work with Sizzix thinlits and framelits dies up to 6.35 centimeter wide, this machine shines in the small-scale crafting scene. It's manual, which means you're in the driver's seat, because let's be honest, who doesn't want to channel their inner crafting maestro? Lightweight and oh so maneuverable, it's perfect for anyone, even those of us whose hand strength might resemble a soggy noodle. In summary, the Sizzix Sidekick is the little engine that could, and it's ready to power up your creativity. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, budget-friendly, and portable die-cutting companion, this is your golden ticket. So go ahead, grab yours, let your imagination run wild, and unleash your crafting genius. Number 4. Cricut Explore Air 2, our pick for best die-cut machine for beginners. Feeling a bit daunted by die cutting? Fear not, fellow novice crafter. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is here to wipe away your fears with its easy-peasy setup and user-friendly software. You'll be whipping up fantastic projects in no time, and guess what? This crafty little gem can slice through more than 100 materials. From premium vinyl to faux leather and cardstock, it's like having a creativity wizard in your craft room. But wait, there's more. The Cricut Explore Air 2 isn't just about the cutting, it's got a treasure chest of accessories, including a 12-inch light grip cutting mat and a fine point pen. Plus, it's snugly compatible with a deep cut tool and scoring tool, featuring a double tool holder for all your crafting needs. Got a vision of greatness? Dive into the Cricut Design Space app where you can explore hundreds of ready-made projects, or unleash your inner Picasso and create your own masterpiece. And let's talk about that fast mode feature. All you need to do is dial in your material, check that box on your device, and voila! You're ready to craft at lightning speed. So plug in, connect to Wi-Fi, and prepare to turn your crafty dreams into reality with the Cricut Explore Air 2 by your side. Still searching for the perfect die-cut machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Sizzix Big Shot Plus Starter Kit, our pick for best manual die-cut machine. Looking for a crafty companion that can streamline your creative endeavors? Say hello to your new best friend, the Sizzix Big Shot Plus. Teo's taken several machines for a spin, and trust us, this one is the reigning champ when it comes to crisp lines and flawless impressions. Imagine this: a platform spacious enough to accommodate materials up to 9 inches wide. Perfect for tackling those ambitious projects you've been dreaming about. Whether you're cutting paper, foam, cork, or even wood, this machine has your back. But let's be honest, it shines the brightest with paper, making it a superstar for card making and scrapbooking. Every Sizzix Big Shot Plus comes packed with cutting pads, die sets, and a treasure trove of cardstock to ignite your creativity. Plus, when you invest in this beauty, you unlock access to the whole Sizzix library of dies. The possibilities? Endless! It's time to unleash your crafting prowess. With dimensions of 15.75 by 7.5 by 11.75 inches, this compact powerhouse fits right into your creative nook. And with a maximum material thickness of 6 inches, you can really go wild. So roll up your sleeves, grab that manual crank, and get ready to elevate your crafting game to a level that'll have your friends asking, "How did you do that?" Happy crafting! Number 2. Silhouette Cameo 4, our pick for best electric die cut machine. If you're diving into sizable projects, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Silhouette Cameo 4. This cutting marvel can handle a whopping 12 inches in width and stretch its creative legs up to 10 feet long, while its less adventurous cousins max out at a measly 2 feet. Plus, it comes with a built-in roll feeder, which means you can plop down an entire roll of vinyl or heat transfer right into the machine and let it churn out projects without the dreaded refilling break. Oh, and did I mention the cross cutter? It's your new bestie for snipping vinyl straight from the roll. With a cutting force of 5 kilograms, this little beast can slice through just about anything, though most of you will stick to cardstock and fabric. Each Cameo 4 is equipped with an auto blade that magically detects material depth, a rotary blade, a craft blade, and a punch tool. And here's the best part, you can load multiple tools at once. Just a little heads up though, you can only use one at a time. So, while you can draw and then cut, it won't let you multitask just yet. Still, with its faster production speeds, the Cameo 4 is ready to help you create like a pro. Time to unleash your inner crafting ninja. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Cricut Maker Machine, our pick for best die cut machine overall. Meet your new crafty best friend, the Cricut Maker. This die-cutting dynamo isn't just a pretty face, it's one of the top-rated machines on the market for a reason. With a whopping 4 kilograms of downward force and an arsenal of cutting tools, it slices through over 300 materials, be it paper, leather, or even wood, like a hot knife through butter. And don't worry, it's not all work and no play. You'll kick things off with 2 sturdy cutting mats and starter materials so you can dive right into crafting without breaking a sweat. Setup? A breeze. This machine whirs to life, ready to turn your ideas into reality, faster than you can say crafty genius. But wait, there's more. Say hello to the star of the show, the Design Space app. With hundreds of project options, inspiration is at your fingertips. Prefer to design on your couch? No problem. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can whip up designs on your phone or laptop and send them directly to your maker. Sure, it may cost a bit more than your average bear, but users swear it's worth every single penny. With its sleek design, endless creativity, and the durability to keep up with your crafting adventures, the Cricut Maker is not just a machine, it's your ticket to crafting greatness. So go ahead, unleash your inner artist. You know you want to. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best die cut machines. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which die cut machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.